It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to convert your horizontal video to vertical video like this, a step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel and you love video editing content, consider to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to convert your video from horizontal to vertical format, step-by-step tutorial. Whether you want to use the video for YouTube Short or you want to use this video for Instagram or TikTok, just follow this step in this video. You are going to be fine. So the first thing I'm going to do is to make sure I head over to my address bar right here. I will just type in YouTube Short video sizes ratio. Then I'll hit on enter. So we have this size ratio right here, which is 9:16 right here. Then if you want to set it by pixels, so it has to do with 1920 by 1080 pixels. That is for pixels. So you can see the picture sample right here. Now let's take a look at how we can achieve this with our Camtasia video editing software. So I'm going to head over to my Camtasia video editing software like this. So I have imported my video into the timeline and the audio also has been imported into the timeline. What we need to do here is to make sure we work on the particular video clip in the timeline. Okay, once you make your video clip active, next thing you want to do is to go to the video frame right here and click on the video frame. Then you have to scroll down, make sure you look for project settings. Then this dialog box is going to pop up, and this is where you need to do your proper setting as far as conversion from horizontal to vertical video format. So you have to click on device canvas dimension right here. By default, if you are using Camtasia 2023, which has to do with the latest version, you will see the ratio right here, which is 9:16 ratio. So just select on that, then hit on apply. So the video will automatically convert to something you see right here. Now you want to adjust the video, you have to just come to the top right here under the scale. You can scale up the video based on exactly what you want to achieve. It's as simple as that. Then you can come to the video element right here, adjust the video in the proper way that you want it. You want to still increase the scale, just come here and increase the scale. So it's as simple as that. Then you can leave it that way once you are satisfied with the format. Okay, but in some cases, if you are using a Camtasia video editing software that is lesser than 2023 version, maybe you are using Camtasia 9 or Camtasia 2021, 2022, 2023. What you want to do is to make sure you come to the video element right here. You right click on it. When you right click on it, go back to your project settings. Then this window is going to pop up. Just come down right here. So you will not be able to see this particular format. Just go back to cost setting. Then from cost setting here, type in 1920 by type in 1080 by 1920 right here. You are going to be fine. So it's as simple as that. So once you're satisfied, just click on apply. Everything is going to be look good, just like what you see right here. So this is how to convert your horizontal video to vertical video, whether you want to use it for TikTok video or you want to use it for YouTube video, a step-by-step tutorial. This same method can be applied to TikTok video or Instagram video. What you want to do is to make sure you know the frame rate of TikTok, Instagram, and etc. You can use Google to check on that. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.